Patience pays the bills. Stay tuned, traders. We're going to talk about that next. Good day, traders. Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. Wednesday, October 31st, Halloween in Perth. Early in North America and in Europe, you'll be waking up to Halloween morning. Today, talking about patience pays the bills. I read a great tweet on Peter Brandt's feed saying that, are you willing to wait sometimes weeks to get your best trade setups before you take trades? And I think this week in general has sort of been an example of that. Last week we had a lot of volatility in the world indexes. We had some great movement in the currency pairs. This week we've had some movement, but it's been probably uncharacteristic in terms of seeing those 50 and 100 pip range expansions earlier in the week. And so I always go back and look at my playbook. I've got the playbook on my desk. I'm always printing off screenshots every few days of playbook trade setups down to the smallest time frames, and a reminder of those 5 and 10 to 1 trade setups. You know, I read a lot of different emails and I get a lot of questions on the YouTube channel and stuff like that regarding catching moves in momentum and whatnot. And for me, I'm really interested in looking at geometric ranges that I can trade. And something I also learned from Peter Brandt was targeting, measured moves of those ranges. So instead of trying to, make 15, 20, 25 pips when I'm risking, 8 to 12 pips, although that is still, a 2, maybe 3 to 1 for some traders, I'm more interested in 5 and 10 to 1 trading opportunities. Some of the challenges that I've had is being up, 40, not quite 50 pips, and then watching those trades come back and stop me out at break even or with a small profit. And that's just part of how my trade management protocol is. But part of that is that I'm willing to sit on those trades to get the maximum amount out of those trades. And if I trail those sometimes too tight, I might get 3 or 4 to 1, but I miss out on the 9 and 10 to 1 trade opportunities. So some of the things that I'm really adamant about are sticking to my best A-trade setups, because number one, usually when I'm wrong by 8 to 10 pips. But when I'm right, there's usually no pressure on those trade opportunities. And instead of me trying to trade every single day and every move that the market makes, I wait for some very basic setups that even if they don't show up till Wednesday, Thursday, maybe Friday, or maybe not even until the following week, I know that when those trade opportunities come, when they move, having the correct position sizing in those trades makes it all worthwhile. So patience pays the bills. Me taking a lot of little trades and putting a lot of emotional capital into those trades to try and get to break even and maybe sitting on them for 2 hours as the market sits in a tighter range, which we're seeing this last few days. We've got the Bank of England announcement on Thursday. We've got payrolls Friday night. For whatever reason, you can justify it however you want, but the markets have been sort of, they've been ranging, but in tighter ranges than normal. And often, the market makers trap a lot of traders in that range where they can't quite get out with a profit and they can't quite get out at break even. And so I think it's really important that you have a way to monitor your best trading setups so that you can be patient and wait for them and know that when they come, it's been worth the wait. Because again, looking at less than 5 to 1 means my hit rate needs to be higher. It means I need to put a lot more emotional and mental capital into my trading. When I can keep it simple and focus on my highest possibility trading setups in terms of risk reward, doesn't mean they're going to go every time. But again, my downside is 8 to 10 pips and looking at maybe 100 plus pips of movement as a profit target. So patience pays the bills, and I've learned that the hard way. Trying to trade every move that the market makes can cause you to make a lot of losing trades, can cause you to get frustrated. It can cause you to, engage in bad behavior over and over again. And then when the great trading opportunities come along, you're sort of a bit too beat up to actually execute and hit those trades like a trained assassin would in terms of getting those pips out of the market. So hopefully you got some value from today's video, traders. If you haven't done so, go to my homepage, get the 7-step daily routine for high performance traders, bulletproof yourself for success, build the confidence and discipline through your daily actions, through your trading, focused on constant progress every single day to master the markets. So stay disciplined, traders, stay focused. Remember, Bank of England Thursday, payrolls Friday night. Be prepared for what the market's going to throw at you. You can't control any of that, but you can control what you do day to day in the markets. Have a great trading week, and may the markets go with you.
Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.